going to show you how to fold the piercer dart. Fold this in half. And unfold it and fold this to the crease you made. Then unfold that. Then fold it into a triangle. Then open that up. Then fold this and then fold it in half this way. And then open it up and fold this to the crease you just made. And open that up and flip this over. Fold this down to the center point and open that up and go here. And then you're gonna squash fold this down. Then open this up and fold this to the center crease. And then fold it this way. Then fold this to the center crease. And then open it and then fold that down. And then squash fold that down. Actually open it up. And then fold like this, but then fold away from you. And then like that. Then you're gonna grab this and fold it down like that. And then do the same with the other wing. And then open it up and you should have it like this. Then you're gonna grab this edge and grab that and then fold. Actually, I should do it this way so you can see. Fold this into that. Like that. And fold it into this. And that should help lock it. Then you're gonna fold the wings down and grab this and wrap it tight around and grab this edge and tuck it under that. Then open it up a bit. Like that. And then just make this good. There you have it.